This is the only video you need to get started with web development. So without wasting any time, let's directly get into the video. The first question which you might have in your mind is, there are so many paths, so many frameworks, which one should you choose? Well, it doesn't really matter, as if you are familiar with one framework, it will take really less time to learn another framework. For example, I knew React, and for a hackathon I had to learn Svelte. So it just took me 2 hours to learn Svelte and build a project with it. In every tech stack, you will be doing the same thing. Just the way of doing that thing will change. Logic will remain the same. If you want to learn full stack development, you can start with frontend, as in frontend you can see the results as soon as you write code, which can be really motivating in the start. After learning frontend and one of its framework, you can start with backend and learn topics like authorization, tokens, databases, ORMs, etc. And remember to build mini projects on the way as you learn, because just reading the theory and not implementing it will do you no good. You won't even remember what you have learned if you will not build projects with it. For example, if you are learning HTML, CSS, you can just build a basic portfolio website. Or if you are learning backend, you can build a basic social media API which interacts with your database. You can learn 100% in web development. You may have to learn many things on the go while building projects. For example, I had to learn Docker, Kubernetes, WebSockets, Redis for the current project I'm building. So always make a habit of learning from docs, as learning from docs can be much faster compared to tutorials, from which it can take weeks to learn a topic. And that's it. It was not a typical roadmap video. This video was to clear someone's confusion who is just starting with web development. If you want to see roadmaps of different tech stacks, you can just search them on YouTube, Google, or you can just ask ChatGPT. So that's it for this video. If you really found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one.